Hello, I am Digant Chaudhary and I welcome you to DLC, a one-stop solution for all India Bar Examination 19th edition. आपको जैसे थंबनेल से पता लग रहा होगा कि this video is all about the crash course that we are offering. The crash course would start from 20th of October, the first class. The first live lecture will be available to you on 20th of October 2024. From there on, we will have approximately 33 days until we appear on the exam. And I promise you friends, till the very last date, I will be with you, I will guide you, personally mentor you on how to crack this exam. So in this crash course, what all things are available? That is the purpose of this video. So first of all, I will provide you with detailed live lectures from 8 o'clock to 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock. That is 3 hours of live lectures. I will try to cover up all of the syllabus, but my core focus would be on those aspects which constitute to be core subjects, which will be helpful to you in what? In your litigation, in your professional setup, in your being a mentor, educator, research fellow, whatever your field of operation is. So there are certain core subjects like Constitution of India, Contract, Transfer of Property Act, Contract Act, CRPC, CPC, Indian Evidence Act, IPC. So these all constitute to be the core subjects. So our prime focus would be to hit on the core subjects. As far as other subjects are concerned, I will try you how to tackle them, right? So that you at least score minimum marks on them. At least 50% of the marks would be scored on those subjects as well. You will not only pass, but you will pass with flying colors if you believe in the process, if you dedicate yourself towards this exam and you stay with me through the entire process. If you do exactly what I say to you to do, there is absolutely a clear path for you to clear this exam. Alright, so conceptual clarity for important questions will be provided. So there are concept based questions, my friends, which in the video of 52%, why 52% of the candidates failed in this exam, I have covered that. So that roughly translates to around 20% of the weightage. That is 80% marks would be not on concept based. Concept based का मतलब क्या है कि doctrine of colorable legislation क्या है. अब doctrine of colorable legislation क्या है या doctrine of judicial review कहाँ से आया है, right, in the constitutional setup या फिर constitution subject के बारे में बात करें, so that is not provided in the Bayer Act. No matter how much you refer to the Bayer Act, you are not going to get the answer if you do not already know the answer. So the answer is not in the Bayer Act, but inside your head. So until unless you put up in your head, you are not going to crack that question. So leave those 20%. जो मोस्ट क्रूशियल एस्पेक्ट होंगे उन 20 क्वेश्चंस के वो हम कवर करने की कोशिश करेंगे, राइट? फिर टारगेटेड अप्रोच टू प्रॉब्लम बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस. अब जो प्रॉब्लम बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस हैं या एनालिटिकल क्वेश्चंस जिन्हें कहते हैं, these are लॉजिक बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस. फ्रॉम द PYQs इफ यू हैव अटेम्प्टेड यू विल गेट टू नो कि ये जो प्रॉब्लम बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस होते हैं उनको अटेम्प्ट करने का एक तरीका होता है. द नेम ऑफ द गेम इज एलिमिनेशन नॉट selection. So if you are able to eliminate from the given choices the correct answer, you are going to hit this. Important case laws. अब important case laws कौन से होंगे? जो लैंडमार्क मोस्ट लैंडमार्क केसेस होंगे ना, सिर्फ वही इस एग्जाम में पूछे जाने वाले हैं. उसके अलावा कुछ भी नहीं पूछा जाना. रीसेंट केस लॉस नहीं पूछे जाने वाले. जैसे हमारे अभी जो PYQ सीरीज चल रही है उसमें एक क्वेश्चन आया था कि इंडियन एविडेंस एक्ट के अंदर जो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक रिकॉर्ड्स है उससे रिलेटेड जो केस है वो कौन सा है. PK अनवर वर्सेस PV बशीर का केस था, बट दैट इज एन ओल्ड केस लॉ. जो 2023 की रूलिंग है, 2022 की रूलिंग्स हैं, वो रूलिंग्स वो नहीं पूछने वाली. बस जो लैंडमार्क है जिसने हेल्ड किया है किसी एक पर्टिकुलर लॉ को टू बी द लॉ ऑफ द लैंड एज अ न्यू कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ लॉ, सिर्फ उन्हें हम लैंडमार्क केसेस मानते हैं और वही केस लॉज आपके पूछे जाने वाले हैं. तो सपोज इन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन आई विल रेफर टू यू almost 20 to 25 case laws. In Contract Act, I will refer to you 20 case laws. when आप combine करेंगे तो they will roughly translate to 100 questions, 100 case laws. जो weight है examination में case laws का, that is around 9 to 10%. Even if you do not go through the entire process of by hearting case laws, you can leave it aside if you are confident in locating the answers from Bayer Act. एंड दैट एक्सरसाइज विल कम फ्रॉम दिस क्रैश कोर्स। एक एक बेयर एक्ट को हम लोग पढ़ेंगे, उसको हाईलाइट करेंगे, क्या इसमें इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट है, किस चीज़ को आपको स्किप करना है, एंड व्हाट यू हैव टू मेक अ मार्क अबाउट। वो चीज़ हम लोग को ध्यान रखनी है जब अपन अटेम्प्ट करेंगे। सो द पर्पस ऑफ ऑल इंडिया बार एग्जामिनेशन का ये क्रैश कोर्स हम लेके आए। द पर्पस इज टू गेट यू फेमिलियर विद द बेयर एक्ट। द पर्पस इज टू गेट यू कॉम्पिटेंट इनफ टू सॉल्व द आंसर्स by how? By locating those answers for the bear act. That is the purpose of this entire course. तो ये एक exercise है, because this is an open book examination, this is not a knowledge based examination. You just have to know how to locate the answers. If you know that, if you have a basic understanding of law, you are going to clear this exam. That is what I am always telling you. Then personal guidance would be provided by me. Suppose if you are working professional and you are not confident that you will be able to crack this exam, you just have to call me up. You have to tell me, sir, I am having these problems. Today I have a work problem. Today I have this problem. What should I do? What should I study? So I'll briefly orient you what you have to do for the day. All you have to do is maintain a connection with me through the entire process of this crash course. If you do that, if you are on the right track, if you are focused, then this exam is going to be easy for you. Personal mentorship sessions are also available. If you suppose have to strategize your way, you can talk to me. We'll make your schedule. I will try to navigate you as to how much time you have to allocate to each subject and then to move proceed. तो ये भी मैं करके आपको दूंगा। आपको एनरोल करने के लिए इस कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर पर दिस इज 9236564327 इस पर हमें कॉल करना है। स्टार्टिंग डेट है 28 अक्टूबर 2024। 10 मॉक टेस्ट भी इसमें अवेलेबल होंगे। नाउ 10 मॉक टेस्ट विल बी अवेलेबल इन दिस क्रैश कोर्स। व्हाट डज दिस मीन? ऐसे 10 मॉक टेस्ट हम आपके लिए कंडक्ट करवाएंगे, दैट इज टेलर मेड इन अकॉर्डेंस विद द 2023 पेपर, नॉट विद पास्ट ईयर पेपर्स। ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ 2023 पेपर जो 18th अटेम्प्ट था जिसमें 52% बच्चे फेल हो गए थे, वैसे ही टेलर मेड उसी पैटर्न को फॉलो करते हुए हम लोग ने 10 मॉक टेस्ट सीरीज आपको अवेलेबल करवा रहे हैं। ऑल यू हैव टू डू इज यू हैव टू अपीयर ऑन दोस मॉक्स। One mock will be available to all the aspirants, whether they buy this crash course or not, will be available to all of them free of cost, so that they get to know what kind of questions we can expect from the coming examination. So this is all about the crash course. All you have to do is call us or text me on the WhatsApp number given here, which is the same as the call number. And I will get in touch with you. I'll send you the necessary details. I'll get you enrolled. The price of this entire crash course is just $499, and the purpose behind this is so that it's not a burden on those professionals who are just starting to enter on this profession. मुझे पता है कि आप लोगों को पैसा वकालत में नहीं मिलता। There's this video circulating, या एक सर्कुलर BCI ने निकाला था कि कम से कम 20,000 रुपये अर्बन सेक्टर्स में आप देंगे जूनियर लॉयर्स को, 15,000 रुपये रूरल सेक्टर्स में देंगे। दोस्तों 20,000 रुपये के लिए छोड़ दीजिए, पर दोज हु आर कमिंग फ्रॉम रूरल बैकग्राउंड, आई नो दैट दे डू नॉट इवन गेट अ पेनी फॉर द इनिशियल 5 to 7 months. Instead, the fellow advocates or the colleagues say that we are teaching you about the law, so there is no need to pay to you. This is what the approach is generally. Sadly, this is what the state of affairs are in the lower courts. So I completely empathize with you, and that is the reason I have made this course available for just $499. I have not quoted the price 1,000 as my team, told me, so suggested me. That's why we are giving this on a very minimal cost. But that is my reason behind that. This platform is only to help the young aspirants clear that line which is apparently drawn, or a roadblock that is put in your way to become an advocate. I'll clear that roadblock. That cost is just $499. I hope it's not too much to you. Even if you do not have that money, you can always watch our YouTube videos. These are informative videos. Highlighted text of the bear acts are available. जितने भी subjects मैं cover कर पाऊंगा तो आप उतना भी देख के चले जाएंगे। इसके पहले जो वीडियोस डाली हैं 52% बच्चे कैसे फेल हुए, उस वीडियो को आप देख लेंगे। यदि आप इसे देख लेंगे कि कैसे बिना बेयर एक्ट पढ़े हम एग्जाम को क्लियर करने वाले हैं, उस वीडियो को देख लेंगे तो आप स्ट्रैटेजाइज कर पाएंगे। यू डू नॉट इवन हैव टू बाई दिस कोर्स। सो विद दिस आई एम एंडिंग द वीडियो। I'm telling you that if you keep on working, if you remain focused, if you do not let go of this exam, if you do not lose, and you keep on practicing, keep on going, you are going to clear this exam. On that note, I thank you all for joining this session. I hope this session was informative to you. Thank you for tuning with us. Thank you for tuning in with DLC. Like and subscribe our channel. This is our Telegram channel, DLC Devashish Law Classes. You can go and subscribe this channel. You please like this video, share it with all your friends so that they do not have fear of All India Bar examination. Thank you all for your time.